Learning with Alex at the hairdresser.
Alex goes to the hair salon. His hair has gotten really long, and he needs to get it cut. Besides, it's his birthday, and he wants to look sharp. Come in and take a seat, Alex. Look how much your hair has grown. I think I'll take it up a bit behind and cut your bangs back. You'll look so much better.
Okay, Mr. Curl. I think that's a good idea. You can start cutting whenever you want.
Almost done here. I'll dry your hair and in 2 minutes we'll be through. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's great. My family was right. Now I look much more elegant. You go to the hair salon when you want to get your hair cut or get your hair done. The hairdresser uses scissors, combs, brushes, and a hair dryer to make us look great. Thank you. Here's the 6 coins. If you want to keep learning with Alex or discover new Smile and Learn adventures, click on the boxes.